Starting a YouTube channel in my initial days of learning English was the one and only step which has helped me so far. And if I am able to be here, then just because of only those steps which I have chosen in the earlier days of my learning. And I have proved everything is possible in this world. Nothing is impossible if we are so much dedicated towards our passion. I haven't learned only English language, but now I am self-made lady, self-made women. I can say proudly, I earn money, I am financially independent, and I have self-worth. I have a belief system. And the thing which I want to tell you through this video is if you really want to learn English and you don't have anything what to do, what not to do, you don't have any particular goal, you don't have any particular way for learning English, then just start your channel. Yes, friends, I'm not going to promote YouTube or anything. It is just my genuine appeal which I want you to listen to me carefully, and I want you to take this step for you regarding learning English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I Yashoda welcome you all on my YouTube channel English with Dehati Ma'am. And friends, as I have mentioned, the same thing I'm going to discuss, that's about starting a YouTube channel for learning English. But one thing I would like to mention here, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, then don't you should not have a desire of getting success in every field, like simultaneously on YouTube and on your English language learning journey, because this journey has been full of ups and downs for me. Though because of some reasons or maybe because of my karma, my channel got monetized within 1 month only. And there are many YouTubers, they have been working on their YouTube channel for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. However, their channel haven't got monetized yet. So the thing which I would like to mention here is, if your channel doesn't get monetized, then don't lose your hope. At least your one dream is being fulfilled, that is mastering this language. And this is our purpose, this is our goal. The moment I started learning English language, I didn't have any access, I didn't have any facility for learning English. Then starting a YouTube channel was the one and only way for me to get closer towards my dream. And I kept working on it without any doubt. I did my level best, I tried my level best, and I kept putting in efforts with consistency on each and every single day. If I am here to be here in front of you, then just because of only those actions, because always actions speak louder than words. If somebody says you can get monetize your channel within 1 day, within 1 month, within 1 year, so it depends on your content, it depends on the quality. But in terms of learning English, you have to really be consistent. You have to be a hard worker. You have to be a diligent person when it comes to learning English language, because learning English language is something which is not easily achievable. Yes, we can learn English, but getting fluency, speaking English confidently is something which is like a Herculean task for many of the learners. Though they have been learning English for a very long time, however, they are not able to do it just because of they don't have confidence. They don't have confidence to speak in front of camera, in front of others. So why I am mentioning here, or why I am promoting this thing to start a YouTube channel, because to some extent, starting a YouTube channel and speaking every day in front of your camera gives you confidence, because at least you get an idea how to directly look at the camera and how to speak in front of your camera. And then slowly and gradually our confidence is boosted. which doesn't happen in most of the learner cases, because they just learn and they don't have any environment, they don't have any partner to speak with, and they have nothing to do in their life. So they when any kind of situation appears in their life, then they always feel hesitated, they feel embarrassed in terms of making mistakes, um, in terms of speaking before others. So if you are the one who doesn't want to get hesitated, then if you really want to boost your confidence, then start your YouTube channel, watch some content, and if you want to really evaluate your journey, okay, then you can easily do that. You will figure it out, and you can easily compare yourself with the version of yourself, the kind of person you are, the kind of English you speak right now, or the way you used to speak earlier. You will get the differences, and then you will find the drastic changes. Because the moment I started learning English, at that time I was not aware of any sentence structure, any vocabulary. However, I started my YouTube channel, I watched YouTube videos, I started imitating those videos, and I started making videos. I was not aware of what is right, what is wrong in terms of starting my English language learning journey. However, I started and I kept doing each and every single day, and the result is in front of you. I don't want to exaggerate this thing a lot, but I just want you to start your YouTube journey. No matter how difficult it is, but it is just going to pay off. It is just going to pay off after 1 year, after 2 years of your life, of your journey of learning English language. Because a person, when he speaks confidently in front of his camera, because he knows I'm not being judged, I'm not being loved by someone, so of course his confidence boosted up. Or the way I have done it means, while making videos, I don't worry about the mistakes, I don't worry about the vocabulary, I don't worry about anything. So it means it is a nice way of boosting your confidence. So uh, my last suggestion to you is, start your YouTube channel without any doubt, and start your English language learning journey, because this really motivates you. And even when you get more views on your videos, people love watching your videos, people appreciate you, then definitely it adds appreciation. Or our app, we just need appreciation from others, and sometimes when there's no one to appreciate us, we have to take this responsibility to appreciate us every day. At the end of the day, after completing your daily goal, after completing your daily task, just pat on your back. Yes, you have you have to wear too many hats to fulfill your dream. No one is going to help you out there, only you have to take this step for you. And I hope you must have understood whatever I wanted to tell you. And one thing I would like to mention here: start your YouTube channel, but don't get overwhelmed by not seeing growth, especially in terms of YouTube. YouTube is something which is not in everyone's hand, okay, but learning English or becoming fluent in English is something which is in your hand. It is just and just only in your hand. So keep putting efforts, keep learning English, and keep making videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.